España Avenue, stretches of it along the University Belt, is a notorious and perennial flood hotspot in the capital city. But in September, a serious DPWH makeover is on schedule to take things around, which include drainage, inlet expansion, road elevation, and construction of a detention basin. Our JM Thompson has more on today's inspection by DPWH Chief Vince Dizon and Manila Mayor Francisco Domagoso on the worksite.
The cross-drainage project along España Boulevard in the city of Manila will begin this September. That was assured by Public Works and Highway Secretary Vince Dizon, along with Manila City Mayor Isko Moreno, after their visit to one of the busiest roads in the city.
Magkakaroon ng konting aberya in the next few months, pero sa tingin namin, pag natapos to, kahit papano, maiibsan yung pagbaha dito sa España.
Alongside the repair of the drainage system in the area is the expansion of inlets, the elevation of roads along certain parts of España, and the construction of a detention basin.
Catch basin in Earnshaw, no, would help España's flooding. It's now on their way sa planning. Magkakaroon lang ng konting abala do sa kambal na simbahan natin. Kasi yung buong kanto na yun o yung buong plaza will be converted as a catch basin area of España para papunta naman do sa pumping station sa likod ng LRT sa Mendiola.
The DPWH assures that their personnel will operate 24/7 to ensure that disruptions to Manileños will be minimized. These projects are a big help to tricycle driver Leopoldo.
Okay lang po, wala po ba, basta maayusin na yung mga daan. Yung kailangan malalim para hindi tuloy-tuloy yung tubig di tataas.
Mayor Isko expressed his gratitude because during the recent rains, he said the agency's flood control improvement projects in certain parts of Manila were proven to be effective.
Things are being given attention and concern is really there. No? We're very happy with the DPWH today on what they're doing, intervention sa mga areas of concern.
Secretary Vince Dizon continues to assure that they are intensifying projects that will provide relief to our countrymen inside and outside of Metro Manila.
Nakita natin talaga na kung tama yung gagawin at hindi na nakawin yung pera, tama yung proyekto, maayos, merong epektong maganda.
Meanwhile, this follows Dizon's inspection in Barangay Bangkal, Davao City yesterday, where the secretary was disappointed as residents were severely affected by an unfinished project.
Kasi nakakaawa talaga. Kung nakita mo yung isang tao doon, habang kinakausap ko siya, hinuhukay niya yung mga damit ng mga anak niya. Dahil natabunan na ng putik tsaka ng buhangin.
The secretary also emphasized that they will keep returning to the area to ensure that the project is completed according to the target date. Secretary Dizon immediately ordered the start of dredging in the Talomo River to increase its capacity to hold water.
Kung di ka magde-dredging, since galing sa bundok ang tubig, may dagayang putik, may dagang buhangin yan, kung 10 taong ka nang walang dredging dyan, yung ilog mo talagang bababaw na ng bababaw yan. Yung nakita kong ang mga flood control na mayroong parting mataas, may parting mababa, pinapantay na natin. Yun, hindi din ginawa.
Those involved in an unfinished projects will be scrutinized and investigated because according to the secretary, the impact of this is traumatic for our countrymen. JM Thompson, for The Nation.